How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to shift gears manually on a automatic transmission. So in the last video I taught you guys how to use the paddle shifters, which is pretty simple. So this is the option that we're going to use today. The concept is going to be the same. So like I told you guys in the previous video, right here on the screen it will tell you that your shift is denied, so you can't really mess this up too much. And if you go back here and going up, it's gonna be shifting the gear up. So I went from M1 to M2, and then going down, I'm gonna go down from M2 to M1. So right here on the screen it tells you in the corner which gear you're in. I know the camera probably doesn't get that. There it is. It's gonna be right here in this corner. If I go up, it's gonna say M2. If I go down, it's gonna say M1. So if you try to mess it up, it's gonna say shift denied and it won't let you do it. So now I'm gonna go to the road and show you guys how it looks. So to do this, just go into plus and minus, and then we're gonna start right now. I'm gonna do it in a neighborhood so I can show you how easy it is. Just pretty much go with the speed and the RPMs as well. Since I'm going pretty slow, you'll see the RPMs will say between 1,000 to 2,000. Depends on your car, of course, because I know probably on a V8 it will say between 2,000 and 3,000. The downshift is simple as going down, and then the RPMs will go up. And to upshift is just you go up with the option right here. Come on, it's a yield for me. So don't be afraid to use this, because like I said, it's really hard to mess this up. Unless you're downshifting. Sometimes if you downshift wrong, then I guess that's the only time you can actually mess this up. But it's so simple, like I said. Like I said, if you downshift, the RPMs are gonna go up. If you're gonna go a little bit faster, just try to get the closest possible to 6,000 to 7,000. Once you start coasting, then you can go to the higher gears, and like I said before, your RPMs are gonna stay between 1,000 to 2,000, at least on my car. So it's as simple as that. Don't be afraid to use it. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a good day.